Welcome to the second class of this course where you are learning what is an algo trading, and in this class we will discuss how we can download and install a free trading robot and how we can apply that robot on our MT5 trading account for live trading. But in the start we will be using demo account. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Hello and welcome back. In this class we will be discussing all these topics. So let's move to the next slide, which is why free reports to discuss. Yes, why the reports are available for free most of the time. The developer wants reviews to enhance and to increase the visibility on the trading platform. Test before buying paid version. There are a lot of paid versions of robots available in the most communities. A lot of traders sharing their strategies and the developers are developing based on that strategies. That strategies are available for free. Most of the time we will check a free report can make money. Yes, exactly. A free report can make money. In the next few classes we will discover all this in more detail. So the MQL5, what MQL5 means, this is Meta Code Language 5. It's an official platform for MetaTrader 5 reports. Okay, here is an overview of the MQL5 key features. There are thousands of reports and they are paid variant, but also there are thousands of free options available and built for MT5. Yes, so the next one is create an MQL5. To do this step we need to move to my screen and I will show you. Here you are on my screen and I will write MQL5.com to go to the website, the store. Exactly, this is the official website, MQL5.com. As you know, I already registered here, so if I log out you will see here these buttons, the login and create an account. If you are new to this, you need to create an account and here you need to set a login and email. I will strongly recommend you to use the login and email, not login with Google, because when we will be using the reports and downloading the reports in MetaTrader 5 application MT5, we need our email and the password which will be used to log into the MQL5 community and MQL5 marketplace inside the MetaTrader 5. The log here you will write your name. The login is the unique ID which will be used to log in to this account in future, and the email is your real email. As you know, I already registered on it, so I will simply click on login with Google, but I will go back and then check on the login. Once I log in, here is my login and here is my password. Simply log to in. Once you successfully log in, here you will see Trading Board Lab. There are a few profile messages, everything. There are a lot of options to explore, but right now we are exploring the MetaTrader 5 application store. Here you see on the top market, and then here I will be focusing on the expert advisors, not other files. From here, after selecting the expert advisor, I will recommend you to select the free tab, and here all these reports are available for free. Imagine there are total 13 pages right now, and on each page there are a lot of reports. Now it's up to us. We need to spend time to find a good report based on some criteria. We are back on slide and here are a few tips to manage the account. You need to use your real email for verification purposes and you can uncheck the promotional image. And the next is find a free report. Yes, this is the big and this is the complex part of this journey. At this point you will be working for your success. So if this point you work hard, you work smart and in-depth analysis, then you are on the right path. But if you not spend enough time, not use your critical analysis, not your in-depth analysis, you will be on the wrong way. So finding a report, it's a very difficult part. Here I mentioned few steps to find the first report on the MQL5 market store. So the next one we will be searching it with the moving average. Let's suppose I need a moving average report, so that's fine, it's okay. I will simply write the moving average. There will be a lot of reports who are using the moving average. Then I will apply the filter free, download and trial. Okay, so here the most important, why trial version. We will be not downloading any trial version in this journey. So the next one is report password. What needs to be checked while we are selecting a robot. Here is the criteria to select it. So first of all, we will check the rating. The rating must be higher than 4-star rating, and there should be the total downloads of 100. The version should be updated in the last 6 months with the real backtesting results. So the next one is red flag. What things, if we find these things, we should not download that bot. And these are, if a developer is claiming that his robot can make 99% win rate, this means it's a scam. No backtesting result, no backtesting screenshots, fewer than 10 reviews, or most of the time a developer mentioned that its robot is free, but when we read the description, developer mentioned if you want to use this bot, you need to purchase that other variant, or maybe you need to send me money on some other link. So all this is in kind of scam. I'm not sure and I'm not fully satisfied with this kind of report, so I will not be using this kind of report. The next is download the report. Yes, now you are on my screen, and here I will search for the moving average report. I will simply write the moving average and press enter, and from here I will select the free tab. Here all these reports are based on moving average and available for free. So first of all, I will select this like the grid scalper MT5 EA. I will press the control and click on it, open this in a new tab. From here I will read its description to understand exactly how this bot is working, what the developer is claiming for this free version of bot. After reading the description, reading the input settings, and there are few screenshots available with this product, with this bot, and also the developer add a video with this robot. I watch everything, and after that now it's time to move to the reviews tab, and we will be focusing on the lower rating because the developer can get a good review from his friends, but the developer will not allow his friends to give him a 1-star. So the 1-star or 2-star, 3-star definitely will be from the real users who try to use this bot and what was their experience with this bot. And here I see very unprofessional thing like a user asking a question and asking for help. Here he write, may I know why this year suddenly can't run the grid even I set the grid point is reach an hour. May I know this demo variant got any limitation compared to paid version? And the reply is going just thank. So this is not a reply to some question. This means the reliability and the professionalism behind this bot is very, very low. And even there are some people asking for how to download the EA, and you know this is very difficult part, but it's okay. In this course and in this video we will make it simple. So now after reading the description, after understanding the inputs and the reviews, overall the reviews are more than 4. So as per our criteria, we will use this bot. Definitely there are many users who face problems and who face losses with this bot, but personally I decided to use this bot for testing purpose, and if this bot pass my optimization process, definitely I will be using this bot on my live trading account after some time. How to download this bot? From here we will select here the download, and here you will see these two options. Have you installed MetaTrader 5? Yes, I have MetaTrader 5. Open MetaTrader 5. So when I click here, it will open my MetaTrader 5, and if I click no, it will go to the download page of MetaTrader 5. I will be using this option. Yes, I already have installed a MetaTrader 5, but at this point I will not let it open my MT5 because in my PC there are a lot of MT5 installed. So if I click here, it will randomly select. I don't know which MetaTrader 5 will be open, but I want to install this bot into my desired MT5 terminal, which is this one. And here now we will cover another topic, that how we can download a trading report from the MQL5 marketplace directly into our MT5 MetaTrader application. To do this, in the start, I already advise you to log into the MQL5 community, MQL5 marketplace with your real email and username and the password. You need to remember the password. This is the interface of MetaTrader 5, and here you need to log in your MQL5 community account. If I select here the logout, you will see something like this, and then you need to log in to your account, and that's it. From here you simply need to exactly copy paste the name of this bot, which is Grid Scalper MT5 EA. You can copy this by selecting here, and then go to the MetaTrader 5. Click here. I will simply press Ctrl V, and yes, this bot is here. I will select here and then simply click on the download. I will click on it. When I click on the download button, here you will see the progress bar. It is started downloading, and yes, the installation is complete. It will just take 2 or 3 seconds at maximum most of the time if you have a good internet connection. Now the next step is where this EA gone. How to locate this EA inside the MT5. First of all, let me show you. Go to the file, open data folder. From here, select the MQL5 and then experts. From here, you need to select the market, and that's it. Here you see this is the bot Grid Scalper MT5 EA. This is the folder where all your trading bots will be available if you download from the MQL5 marketplace. And this is the place where we can copy paste our own trading bots to use in the MT5 application. So go back. Now how you can locate this in the MT5, you need to go to the navigator window. If you don't know how to go it, click on the view, and from here the navigator. I click on it, disabled, and click on it, enabled. It's visible to us. From here I will go to the expert advisors from here, and then here you will see the market folder, the same, and that's it. This is the robot which is downloaded and installed in MT5 right now. Now I can right click on it, and I have option to attach to chart, test, modify, delete. I am not able to modify this because I don't have the source code of this bot. Test, yes, I can do its back testing. In the upcoming few classes we will learn more in depth how to do back testing. And now let's attach this bot to the chart. Let me open a chart here, the chart window. The next option is you can simply click here, attach to chart, this option, or maybe you can simply drag and drop this bot file here on the chart. From here it is very important to check these both options. If you don't check this, the robot will not work. After enable these two options, move to the input tab from here, and if you see this input tabs directly after dragging and dropping the bot on the chart, you need to move to the common section and enable these two options, and then move to the input settings. These are the input settings. Now you need to set the parameters, set the values for your strategy. So let's discuss this one. The first one is the generally a setting. This is just a useless setting. Closure mode, the point mode, and the profit mode. You can select any of when, the lot size, with what lot size the trade should be open, the magic number, and we will discuss in the next class, and the take profit in points and the grid size in points. As you know, this based on like a martingale and grid, it will keep adding more and more orders after some time with a distance is called grid size points. This means after how many points it should open another trade, with what multiplier, how much the lot size should be increased. If I select here 2, this means the lot size will be 0.02 on the next trade, and on the next trade the lot size will be 0.04, and so on. It will be keep going up. The next one is the break-even point, the maximum basket trade position, and the use trailing stop. This robot also have the trailing stop, but there is no equity protection, no balance protection, no maximum number of trades, the maximum number of lots, no security at all in this boards, we may need to use an other EA which will handle the security features like equity protector, and this bot will be keep opening and closing trades at its own. And there are some trailing stop points, the maximum profit points, the target points, and the indicator setting. As you know, this bot is based on the moving average, so we have an option to set the value of moving average as per our desire. Let's suppose I select a 50 moving average to trade with, and maybe in my strategy I am using the moving average with 100 period, but I'm not using with it 100, but it's, let's assume I'm using 100, and you will adjust the 100 and then simply click on OK. Here on the right top corner you see this cap and the bot name. This is in the MT5 platform. You will see this is a gray cap. This means the bot is not working. Here on the top, this sign displaying the current situation of a bot, the robot is working or not. So right now it is paused. This means the robot is not working. Right now it's playing button. Yes, the robot is working. So now we have downloaded the robot, and the next, here are few steps and guidelines. Look here, after downloading you will see the file with the extension .ex5. The Windows operating system accepts a file with the exe executable file program, but if you see a file .ex5, this means this file is bot or maybe indicator, and this file will work inside the MetaTrader 5, not outside of the MetaTrader 5. So you need to save it to desktop. And then fourth step, we already discussed access troubleshooting tips. Most of the time when a new user starts using bots, he may face some problem at some point, and the problems can be, some common problems are, if robot disappear, restart the MT5. This is the first step. And the second one is no auto trading, check terminal settings. So let me show you this on my MT5 terminal. And it is possible that you see if you enable this algo trading on, but here still you will see the cap will be gray. How? Let me show you. I will check it to off. I will select here, remove the moving average, and again I will apply this EA with the same settings and simply click on OK. And when I press here algo trading, but still the cap is not blue, it's a gray. This means the robot is not working. I am enabling it, disabling it, but there is no impact on the color of the cap. So why this is not impacting? You simply need to double click on this cap, go to the common. I already explained you must have these both options checked, not unchecked. So in the inputs and everything is okay, click OK. Now it will respond to this on and off. Here you see the color is changing. Okay, and the next one is file not showing, check ex file extension. Definitely it is not possible to use any other extension within the MT5. And also you will not be able to change this extension, like there is some file and you simply put the name xyz.ex5. By this way that file will not turn into a trading board. You don't be smart like that. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the detailed overview or robot input settings. So there are many common input settings are in reports. We will discuss the settings, how to adjust the risk settings, what magic number means. This setting is also important in EA's best time to run your robot. Yes, exactly, we will discuss and show some love by supporting me. Subscribe now and comment. Write your questions and suggestions in the comment section. I will do my best to reply under the section, or maybe I will record another session to answer your questions. Thank you and see you soon in the next video.